Well, one thing I've learned during my stay here in Rajasthan is how much effort it takes to curate and maintain such an experience. It is tremendous amount of human labor and dedication and care. Otherwise, nature takes over, and that's pretty much it. Trees and vines growing everywhere, the color fades, cracks start surfacing, there are all kinds of damage to the walls and structure. So that's basically the story, I guess, of mankind. It takes tremendous amount of effort to curate something, but the default mode of the world we live in is just nature, and it's just chaos and randomness, but the good kind of chaos, good kind of randomness. It's nature just taking over and making it beautiful in another way. This is mankind making something beautiful, but it's extremely expensive and extremely costly and limited in its time frame. There's no way we'll be able to maintain this for hundreds and thousands of years. I don't think so. Eventually, nature will take this place over. It has to. So enjoy it while it lasts, is the message.